Hi everyone, it's day one in guitar class, and the things that I wanted you to learn in this class were the A minor and E chords. So if you look at the handout that I gave you in the class, you will find those two chords. It's in this handout, and it's on the second page. Basic chord forms, and on there you will find A minor here and E here. So those two chords are what I want you to learn the first day, first class here. Here's the A minor chord. First finger goes on second string, first fret. Finger 2, middle finger, goes on the fourth string, second fret. And finger 3 goes on the third string, second fret. So this is the shape. You can see the numbers and circles on the grid. It starts with an A bass note, 5th string. And the E chord is a similar shape, but we just move every finger over one string. So now instead of being on the second string, the first finger goes to the third string, and these two move over to strings 4 and 5. So this is the shape. The chord is called E, and this is all 6 strings. E is our lowest note. Those two chords are one of your objectives to learn this first week. Then we paired that with an arpeggio pattern in the right hand. And the pattern is named by the sequence of fingers: thumb or letter P, I, index, M, middle, ring, A. So P-I-M-A, arpeggio, and arpeggio is a sequence of notes that form a chord. So if we took the A minor chord and applied this P-I-M-A arpeggio to it, we would have that sound. My index, middle, and ring fingers are on the top 3 strings. Thumb is on string 5. And I play them in sequence: thumb, index, middle, ring. Then I gave a little exercise where we combined the chords and the arpeggios, and we turned it into a little tune with A minor chord first, then an E chord. And then I also did this pattern with the basses. I started out with 5th string bass with the E minor chord. Then I moved the next arpeggio, my thumb up to the 4th string. So I have P-I-M-A, but my thumb is changing strings. So first time is on 5th string, then 4th string, 5th, then 4th. Same arpeggio pattern for the E chord, except the bass strings, the ones that my thumb plays, change. E chord over here in the left hand, strings are 6, 5, 4, back to 5. So then when I put all this together, the two chords back to back, A minor and E, with those two arpeggio patterns, or one arpeggio pattern but with different strings, you get this. Alright, so it's that kind of sound, and here's with the two chords in a sequence. So your goal is to be able to make it sound smooth and steady, and to watch for the gap of time when you change chords. So you don't want this. Notice the gap in between. You want to avoid that. Okay, so that's the lesson, the takeaway from week number 1. Hope that helps you, and we'll see you in week 2. Cheers.